As we look across the nursery, look at all the little babies. They seem to be happy and at home. They're all going to go to their parents, but it seems like we've got an emergency. Right there, that big tall cabbage. We just noticed something. Let's go. This, I think, is trying to go to seed. Now, the Mac man don't really know about this type of thing, right? So, besides these wasps and hornets, we're gonna have an emergency C-section, all right, y'all? Get the tools. Yeah. Let's get it. Now, this is one-handed. There's like 37 wasps out here, so, yeah, hold on a second. I would, set this down in the dirt or something, but Diva, she don't like having her face in the dirt. And I didn't realize that y'all had to get your face in the dirt too, so I apologize. So I won't do that. I'll just pause, get the C-section on, and be right back. Okay. We've got joint twins here. We got a big-headed baby, and we got a little-headed baby. I gotta take the little-headed baby out, and then, this here. So, 1 second. I wish I had Uncle Pappy here. Hey, y'all got Uncle Pappy number? Y'all call him and tell him I need him. And tell him quit dealing with the bull and them. Tell him the Gordon Mac needs him. All right. All right, y'all. Got the little-headed baby over here. It's not too often we see this in the garden. I'm not a doctor, but I did stay at a Holiday Express last night. So let's see if I can get this taken care of. Okay, y'all. I've never done anything like this, okay? We still got some decent leaves to eat. But this here, ladies and gentlemen, is the Chinese Cabbage Hilton Variety. Best grown for homemade kimchi. Alright? This thing is nice. So, sorry, there's another wasp out here. So, gonna get this taken care of and see what we come up with. I don't know about that flower head starting, so I hope it doesn't take away anything. But hey, we did this, y'all. So, like I always say, I got love for those who got love for me. Reap what you sow, y'all. Peace. Yo, what's up? It's the kid from the middle of the map. We in the middle of the map kitchen. So this is usually where you see homeboy RD getting busy. But today, it's the Mac night. So what we're going to do is when it's home grown and truly organic, you have to do your due diligence. This is the cabbage, Chinese Cabbage Variety Hilton. Great for homemade kimchi. Cleaning off the outer leaves that are a little bit damaged. Okay. So we got that. And so you want to take off the most damaged leaves down here by the bottom, like so. And they're still good if you want to, if you're hard pressed, but I mean, there's really nothing wrong with this. Or put it in the compost. So the most eat up ones, you usually want to take to the outside, tear them. This is just how I do it. Because you got to make sure there's no bugs in here still. So, for the most part, this is what you'll be left with right here. What I did that I didn't show outside is to get it like this. What I did is I held, this came out of the 3-gallon container, and I held it with my feet and squeezed and twisted. So we got a clean pull right here because I couldn't actually see where that was to cut at. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave this in the cold water. I did this all in cold water, okay? Leave it in the cold water for a while, let it clean itself up, take another look, and then we should be good to decide on what we want to do. Again, this is basically grown for kimchi, one of the best cabbages for kimchi. So if you love kimchi, this is a great one to have, or if you just like cabbage, you can't go wrong. So, like I always say, wait, what we say?
I got love for those that got love for me.
Holla back. That's the Little Frog. That's a Tadpole TV crew, man. All right, y'all. The frog is out. I'm going to holler at y'all in a minute. Peace.